We are here at Uncle Jay's. They're going to do something special for us. That is, they're going to give us items which is on their secret menu. Greetings to everybody watching this video. Last night we reached around 12:30 home, and by the time it was 1, I went to sleep. It is so hot out there and I was not able to shoot in the hot sun. I had gone to buy some chicken breast and the roads also were terrible out there. Anyways, as I was saying that last night we reached, I went to sleep at 1 a.m. and the sleep that I got was damn good. So as soon as I woke up, I went, made my breakfast and set to work. Had some important work that had to be done. That is some keyword research. This is for Google Ads for a hotel and important report had to be submitted. Today's plan is that Evander and Vaughn is going to come and we have been invited to Uncle Jay's that is in Panjim to make a reel basically, and I'm going to vlog the experience and rate the food on 10 basically, or rate it on 5 stars. Evander has just arrived at my place. Vaughn just came to give his car for washing over here, and we were supposed to pick him up at his place, but as you know that he's come to give his car for washing over here, so we came over here.
Do this.
Once come in the car.
My mom shouted at me, so that's why I have to give my car for washing today. Sorry boys for the delay.
Just parked the car over here, and Uncle Jay's is like 5 to 10 minutes, no, 3 minutes away from here. We're just going to go walking over there. I think there's something going on over there. Let's see if we are able to shoot. This is the way, and we have to take a right and go to Uncle Jay's. Right now Vaughn is showing his 360 footage. Alistair there over there.
He came running this side only. So guys, Alistair just ran through the couple while they were entering over there, and Evander was smacking his words out over there.
You guys must have heard about Samba Square. It takes place over here.
With PA systems.
Yeah, so we were shooting and we were not able to come to Samba Square. The last day was there, but Evander had cancelled the plans. You know? We were supposed to go for it. So currently there's a rally going out over here. I'm not sure why, but Uncle Jay's is somewhere right over here, and we are going to go there and shoot our content. So this is Uncle Jay's. It is right next to the Panjim Church. I'm just going to go inside.
Evander doing his taste test.
Okay guys, so these two items are on the secret menu. This is the mango and this is the Vimto, right? Yes. So Uncle Jay's has hooked us up with some secret menu, and today 20th March is when they have started with this.
It's actually good. No added sugar, nothing, just perfect. Just pure mango pulp and milk.
Okay guys, so right now I'm tasting the mango shake. To finish everything.
Go for it.
It's good, it's without sugar, and it's a 10 on 10. The next thing what I'm having is Vimto. It's made out of grapes, blackberries and blackcurrant. Taste test. It's good, refreshing, and best to beat the summer heat here in Goa. Just got done shooting the reel, and right now we've ordered more. I have ordered Nutella. Mohan's ordered what? Tiramisu, and Ventas ordered Oreo, right?
No, Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. We also ordered waffles. So we're just going to take that, go in the park, have chill and enjoy. We took our stuff and came out of Uncle Jay's, and we ordered Oreo waffle and dark chocolate waffle. Right now we're just going to the park, going to give you a taste test. Normally I always take Nutella shake wherever I go if I see it's on the menu. Comparatively this one's way better. Wherever I go it's always blend. This, wow, I can literally feel like I'm eating Nutella, and it is damn good. Okay, so these are the shakes that we've ordered, and these are the two waffles. Let's open it up.
I need a back massage, bro. For real. My
My whole spine next to that, no, the muscle which is there is just sore. And shoulders by yesterday's game.
Okay guys, so right now I'm having the dark chocolate and let's do the taste test. Honestly saying, yeah, this is a 9 on 10. It is good. I would recommend, if you guys are going to Uncle Jay's, then I would recommend the dark chocolate waffle. It's good. Try the mango shake as well and the Nutella shake also. If you want something without sugar, mango shake is the go-to. We just finished having our Uncle Jay's waffles and shakes, and right now Vaughn has to go for a night out, so we are dropping him at his place. Overall, I would rate Uncle Jay's 7 on 10. I would highly recommend their secret menu mango shake, so do have a look at that. Currently, we are stopped here at Chitale Express because once for a destination wedding, vendor had a certain burfi and you get it only over here. So he specially come to buy those burfis.
Kaju Katli, bro.
Kaju Katli.
Today I came to know that Barfi and Kaju Katli is different.
Yeah, exactly. That's what.
Say again.
But anyways, uncle gave me a 5% discount because I came all the way from south to buy this thing because there's no store in the south. So
guys, as you know, a vendor wants to open his own franchise of Chitali's.
yeah.
Guys,
Incoming.
So guys, a cheat code. Whenever you go to any place like this, just say you're from Margao, they're gonna give you 5% discount.